अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में भाइयों को खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ। तो जो भाई नए आए हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को लाजमी से ऑन कर लें ताकि मेरी आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले भाइयों तक पहुँच सके और किसी भी भाई से वीडियो मिस ना हो। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए फ्रेंड चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरह। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी। मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी की डेफिनेशन क्या है, कैसे काम करता है और इसका मौजूदा दौर में क्या इस्तेमाल है। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ। मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी डेफिनेशन, टाइप्स, यूजेस, एडवांटेजेस। Mobile technology is a type of technology in which a user utilizes a mobile phone to perform communication-related tasks such as communicating with friends, relatives, and others. It is used to send data from one system to another. Portable two-way communication systems, computing devices, and accompanying networking equipments make up mobile technology. Mobile technology is largely employed in cellular communication systems and other related areas. It employs a network architecture that allows multiple transmitters to deliver data on a single channel at the same time, because it reduces the potential of frequency interference from two or more sources. This platform allows multiple users to use single frequencies. The channel has been evolved over time. This is fast expanding. Its applications are getting increasingly broad over time, and it gradually replacing other similar sources of communication of markets such as post offices and deadlines. Mobile technologies has progressed from a simple phone and texting devices to a multiple tasking systems that can be used for GPS navigation, internet browsing, gaming, and instant messaging, and among other things. With the rise, experts claims that the future of computer technology is depend on wireless networking and mobile computing. So through tablets and small PCs, mobile technologies is becoming increasingly popular. This smartphone system has since been improved to a big multitasking computer that can be used for GPS navigation, gaming, internet browsing, and instant messaging. Tablets and portable laptops have increased to adoptions of a mobile technology. The mobile network that connect these devices are referred to as wireless systems. They allow speech, data, and mobile apps to be shared between mobile devices. Mobile technology is becoming increasingly prevalent. Smartphones users have surpassed 3 billion, and the global mobile workplace is expected to reach 1.87 billion by 2022. Any gadget with internet capabilities that can be accessed from anywhere is referred to as a mobile technology. Smartphones, tablets, some iPods, and laptops already fall within this category, but this list will be undoubtedly grow in the future years. Type of mobile technology follows are the famous mobile technologies. SMS, MMS, 4G, 3G, GSM, CDMA, Wi-Fi. Let's discuss one by one in detail. SMS. SMS stands for Short Message Services. It is now the most widely used and almost oldest text messaging services. SMS are also sent over cellular networks. Therefore, you will need a wireless plan and a wireless carrier. SMS is fast gaining popularity in the world as a low-cost messaging medium. Every text message delivered to a cell phone has become known as SMS. Messaging can usually up to 140 character long. SMS was originally developed for GSM phones, although it is now supported by all major cellular phone networks. Although SMS is the most commonly used for text, MMS Multimedia Messaging Services is a standard method of delivered multimedia material including messaging. MMS as opposite of to SMS can send up to 40 seconds of videos, one pictures, a multi-image slideshow or an audio. MMS texting will be supported by the majority of contemporary devices. तो थर्ड नंबर पे है 3G. द थर्ड लेटर इज द डेजिनेशन. 3G स्टैंड फॉर थर्ड जनरेशन एक्सेस technology which allows mobile phone to connect to the internet. Every new technology introduces new frequency bands and data transmission rates. The first generation emerged in the 1980s. First generation uses large phones that had them mounted on top of cars because there were too many to hold. 4G. The fourth generation of mobile networking technology is known as 4G, which comes after the 2G, 3G networks, although is commonly referred to as 4G LTE. This is not exactly right because LTE is just one sort of 4G. Most mobile networks service providers use it now since it is the most developed technology. Fifth, Global System for Mobile Technology, GSM. The GSM is an acronym for Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM is a cellular technology that is open and digital and is used for a mobile communication. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access. CDMA is an acronym for Code Division Multiple Access. It is a channel access mechanism that also serves as an example of multiple access. Multiple access simply means that data have multiple transmissions can be delivered onto a single communication channel to the same time. तो फ्रेंड्स कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये वीडियो मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी के रिलेटेड, तो एंड इट्स टाइप्स के बारे में बात की. तो जो भाई नए आए हैं लाजमी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. इसी तरह की इंफॉर्मेटिव रिलेटेड वीडियो चैनल पे मिलती रहेंगी. तो मोबाइल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन को ऑन कर लें ताकि मेरे आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले भाइयों तक पहुंच सके. तो मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.